What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over Tuesday's game plan, guys. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets. As you see, we got a busy morning. We got core PPI tomorrow. That should give a little rock into the market tomorrow morning, a little anticipation of what the bulls or bears gonna do, how we gonna continue out the day. Guys, we know what to do when data drop. We sit back, we relax, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get after them. Do not jump in the first green candle you see. Do not jump in the first red candle you see, because they always tend to fake you out, and we are not having that. There you go in that one, guys. Before we jump into it, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. So newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. We're going to give a couple plays in here that got a little turbulence in here. If you catch it right, you can make some good money on it. First one up is Trump Media and Technology Group. You see where they started out? They started down here at 34 bucks. We're sitting at $41 now. So if you got into that play, shout out to you. You made some money this morning, but I'm going to go ahead and give some levels out for tomorrow. If you are a bull, you want to see these tops right here at 43.30 get taken out. They can take out 43.30. Your next level up is going to be 44.35. Next level up, boom, you got 45.70. You got a little turbulence up into about 46.10. They break through 46.10. Boom, you got 49.40 on deck. They break through that one right there. They get some volume behind that. Check this one. Boom, you got 54.20 on deck. If this one gets moving, this could get moving a heck of a lot higher than where these levels at. I think I got a couple more levels higher, but we'll play that in real time. If we see those start taking out, I anticipate for this stock to start showing some volatility, some movement in this one over the next couple days. On the downside, you want to see 40.80 get taken out. They can take out 40.80. They coming back down to this middle piece in here at 38.30. They break that right there. 38.30. You got 37.10 on deck. They lose that. Boom. You coming down to 35.80. Next level down is going to be 34.80. We'll handle in real time once it start pulling back that far. Next ticker up is going to be GME, aka GameStop. They're sitting at 31.20 right now. This is another ticker that can move up a couple dollars, or it can go down a couple dollars. You can make some money in this play right here. To the upside, you want to see 31.35 get taken out. They can take out this little middle piece in here. Next level up, boom, they're going to try to run to these tops in here. 31.70. Next level up is going to be this stuff up in here, 31.80. This is a slow climb in here, but once they get going, they can get going. They can break through at 31.80. They're going to run this thing all the way up to 32.20. Next level after that, you got these middle pieces in here at 32.45. They break through that. Boom. They're going to run this thing up 32. You got 32.80, and then these tops up here at 32.95, heavy level. Expect the bears to try to bounce it back down. If you are a bear, you want to see us open lower than 31 even. We can do that. Next level down is going to be 30.75. They break through that. You got 30.60. Next level down is going to be 30.40, and so forth. They can keep going down in those increments. However, 30.40 is going to be a heavy level. Bears can break through that one right there. They're going to shoot their shot all the way back down to 30 even. So just pay attention to that right there. There's a couple different levels for you to pay attention to and before entering your trade tomorrow. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We got a couple for you. First one out of the gate is going to be the SPY. You see what the SPY did? They played with us today. They gave us some down movement at opening. They kind of gave us a little roller coaster ride. And I put a play out there. I'd let you guys know, hey, if you're not a sniper, sit back, sit tight, wait for a better setup find a different ticker, because this is playing games with you. They get into one area and then they coming right back down. They testing that area. And as you see, we went up, we tested this area up here, 578.55. Where they go? They ran it back down to 575.85. What happened? They ran it back up in this area, 578.80. What they do, run it all the way back down to 575.80. I think I had 578.80. Whoever won that battle right there, that's when they were going to take out. 580.80 was the spot. If bulls could hold above 580.80, they was going to shoot their shot at 582. And as you see at closing, that's exactly what they did. They held that level at 580.80. They ran this thing all the way up almost to the 82 area. And as you see, we're sitting at 582.40 right now. So if you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere higher than 584.40. If they can do that, you want to see this area at 585.95 get taken out. They can do that. Boom, you got 587.90. Next level up is going to be this stuff in here, 589.75, and then these tops up at 590.55. To the downside, you want to see them get back under that 580.60 level. They can lose that. They coming back down to 578.65. Next level downs, 577 even, and so forth. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. They played with us too today. We had that big drop down all the way down to 379.95. They ran it up. They came back down, but they kept pressing this thing a little bit higher. We got that chop moment right there. And then boom, they ran that thing up. As you see, we're sitting at 410.40 right now. They are going crazy right now. You are a bull, you want to see we back in these areas that I was talking about, what, last week, the week before. If bulls start pulling over 411.20, where are we going? We going to that heavy level at 415.20. We break through that, boom, you got 420.30. Next level up is 426, and we'll handle in real time once they start breaking through that. But guys, I told you guys in last night's video that Tesla is ready to go. This is just a pullback. Make no mistake about it. As we get closer to the regime taking over next week and all the influence that Trump is having with Elon and vice versa, this is going to make this ticker explode. They had a little run up close to 500 a couple weeks ago. Expect on that right there. Tesla is going to get past 500 in easy. I think Tesla is going to go a lot higher than that. This is definitely a long-term hold. Shout out to any of you guys that was able to catch it when it had that really low drop. Guys, we had a couple plays out there. A few things, guys, I keep preaching. Candlestick formations, being able to pay attention to double tops, double bottoms, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms. I said SPY. Be careful if you inputs double bottom potential from 575.80 through 575.40, meaning high probable area that the bulls can pop this thing. I said if bears can get through it, next level is going to be 573.40, but you can see that's where they bounced at right here. This is where I caught it, and they bounced it right to the number I called 575.80, and then boom, anytime you get that double bottom, that's what's going to happen. And really, if you look at it, we had a triple bottom going on. You had this one, you had this one, then you had this one. I called a double bottom. I should have been calling a triple bottom. Guys, y'all see something like that? Throw it in the comments right there. Let me know. Hey, Fresh, that's a triple bottom. What you talking about? Even more of a reason or something for you to pay attention to. Man, we didn't bounce at that double bottom where they created the double bottom right here. They coming back down for a triple bottom. Oh, man, I'm ready to get my calls together because I know they ready to pop that thing. And that's exactly what they did. They continue to rise up. And guys, again, this is an easy one to spot. What did I tell you? If the 9 is above the 20, the yellow line, and the 20 is my orange, what are we doing? We getting into calls. They got above that right there. They came back down to test it. We not in this play yet because they crossed it, but we got this red candle. We ain't in this play. I said an engulfing green candle. what happens? I guess you can call that somewhat engulfing. That to me really isn't an engulfing candle. That one right there is the one that I'd have been looking at. Boom. You getting into that candle right there. You riding it. Might have stopped you out right here. It depends on if you was in the 15-minute or the 5, but it popped right back here and it ran up. You might have had a little stop right here, but if you dived in that candle right there, you made money all the way up to 580.35, and you probably would have got kicked out right here if you was moving your stops. But hey, you can't hit the home run in every play. It's okay to take the 10%. It's okay to take the 20%. It's okay to take the 30%. Get that money and get out. Again, guys, if you swinging a play, once you get that engulfing candle, you ain't got to get out in the 5-minute time frame once it goes to that orange line. You waiting for the 15-minute. If you're swinging, look at the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the hour, the 4-hour time frame. Depends on how long your contracts are. You can hold a little longer. That way you can catch the bounce and the run up on this play right here. Shout out to you guys that understand that know the mission and able to dominate and make money in these plays right here. Guys, it was fun. Shout out to you guys, like I said, that was able to understand that double bottom, throw you a call play in there and make money on that. But that's watching, that's not in the Discord, make sure you tap into the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.